Good morning, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, all the good people out there in Orange County and across this country. Listen, let me let you in on a little secret. When you guys are out shopping for flooring, tile, wood, carpet, luxury vinyl, whatever it may be, and you're going to these showrooms, they are not, probably, I would say 80 to 90% of them are not hiring qualified and or certified and or licensed installers. They're hiring people and they come to your house in these mystery machines, and oh my God, what a nightmare that's going to be that you're going to set yourself up for. But they're not playing by the rules. For one, they're not W-2ing them. So they're skirting that system. And number two, most of them are not hiring licensed flooring contractors or tile contractors, whether it's a C15 or a C54. They're not hiring them. They're just hiring people, and they're doing some funny accounting to where they can pay these people. Either they're paying them cash or they're having the customer pay the installer direct. Oh, that's a huge one. That's a no-no. Don't ever get into that. Don't ever buy into that. Don't ever let any showroom do that. So these retail places, that's what they're doing. For one, they have to be an employee, and they're not doing that. And then they're not hiring licensed tile or flooring contractors. So ask questions. Ask them, look, are these people employees? Go to the Contractor State License Board. Look up that business, that showroom that you're going to be doing business with, or that retail place, and see if they have a license on file. And you can also see if they have workers' comp. If they don't, huge red flag. Do you really know who's coming into your home? You know, you're buying these products and you're having them installed by people who are not certified and or who are not qualified, let alone even being licensed or being an employee. So when you have problems down the road, which you will, then guess what? Good luck. Good luck. You better hope that retail place or that showroom comes to bat for you. But anyways, listen, Jason here. That's my rant. California Flooring Service, Orange County. Not only are we licensed tile and flooring contractors, but I have true employees, and all my guys are certified NWFA, and we're Schluter, Weedy certified, along with MAPE certified installers. Okay, I invest in my guys. We got a nice family style here. We do things right. Give me a call if you need anything or have any questions. 949-355-3501. Have a great day.